You clicked on this video, which means you want to know how to solve basic algebra equations and absolutely dominate your math tests. Be warned, as after this video, you will be so good your teacher may accuse you of cheating. I will go over equations with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's lock in. Okay, let's start by being clear of what an equation means. This equals sign says that everything on the left side is the same as everything on the right side. Well, obviously, but why is this important? Because it means that if I change or do anything to one side, I have to do it to the other. Think of it like a scale. If I do something here, say I add 2 to the left side, they are now no longer the same, so I have to do it to the other side too. Right, so let's look at this equation. It's asking solve for x, which means we'll write this to be x equals blah blah. Quick reminder, x is a variable, which basically means it's a number we don't know yet. So looking at this equation, how do we write x by itself, basically getting rid of this 2 on the left side? It would be to subtract 2, because that would make it x plus 0. Never forget to subtract 2 from the right side as well. If you don't do the same thing to both sides, then you broken math, and the math gods will come punish you. Okay, so for any time that x has something being added to it, just subtract that number from both sides. And yes, x can be negative. Pause here for a number of examples. Subtraction. Alright, so addition and subtraction cancel each other out. We should know that. They're opposites. So, if there's a minus sign on x, what would you do? That's right, you just add that number. Pause for examples of solving for x with subtraction. Buckle your seatbelts, folks. We are now going over multiplication on x. To start, I will show you this. What do you think this means? Why have I written 2x? It's because this means 2 times x. This is how we lazily write multiplication. Even x by itself can be considered 1 times x, and minus x is the same as negative 1 times x. And so, if x is being times by a number, we want to change it so x is being times by 1. We do that with division. See, look here. 1 times 2 equals 2. Divided by 2 equals 1 again. That is what we do to x. We divide the equation by whatever x is being times by. Looking at this example here, 3 times x equals 12. So to solve for x, we need to divide the equation by 3. And what is 12 divided by 3? It's 4. So x equals 4. See, it's not that hard. We do division to cancel multiplication, and so then, if x has division on it, it's the other way round, and we therefore do multiplication. Like here, x divided by 67 equals 1. Multiplying by 67 will cancel the 67 being divided. So what is 67 times 1? Well, of course, 67. Alright team, it's now time for the final boss. Lock in for 2 more minutes, then we're done. We're dealing with this now. But don't worry, you have learned the tools. I am going to be very clear here, so cut the music for better focus. Let's go. Step 1. We want x alone, but right now it has 2 things happening to it. It's being multiplied by 3, and it's having 1 added to it. We deal with the addition and subtraction first. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3x plus 1 minus 1 is just 3x. 7 minus 1 is 6. Step 2. X is still being multiplied by 3. To undo multiplication, we divide. Divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is just x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So x is 2. That's pretty much as hard as it gets. Always deal with the addition and subtraction first, then the multiplication and division second, and you will be fine. You can also check your answer by subbing x back in. Here I've calculated x equals 4. Replacing x with 4 in the original equation should give me 1. And it does. To continue upgrading your math skills, make sure to like and subscribe to Math Dude 67.